I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have sudo or root. This matters because package installs and systemtl require elevated rights. Once done, update the system with sudo pacman-cu to avoid package conflicts. Make sure your network is up. Check IP link or use ilktl for Wi-Fi or start Network Manager with systemtl. Open a terminal emulator or switch to a virtual console with Ctrl plus Alt plus F2 and keep root privileges ready so the next steps run without permission errors. You now manage packages and set your interactive environment. Install essential tools with sudo pacman s-devel vimgit. This provides compilers, editor, and version control. Once installed, pick a shell and change it with chshs/usr/bin/fish or chshs/bin/bash because the shell shapes your workflow. Use pacman flags, S to install, R to remove, QS to search packages, and CU periodically to upgrade. If you compile AUR helpers, use makepkg and sudo pacman-u for local packages. You finish by enabling and verifying services and finalizing permissions. Enable units with sudo systemtl, enable now SSHD or Network Manager so they start on boot, then check status with systemtl status. Add your user to wheel for sudo access using sudo usermod a g wheel user and validate /etc/sudoers with the sudo to avoid syntax errors. If something breaks, inspect logs with journoctl u service name no pager and journoctl b for boot logs. That single troubleshooting step often shows permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.